Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Mazda CX-5 can take you to some really cool places, like biking, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start our install, we're going to remove our plastic fascia support right here. It's held in by two push pins, one here and here. We're going to remove those using a flathead screwdriver. And then there's two tabs that hold it into place, so we just need to pull down on it. Next, we need to lower our exhaust. On our driver's side, we have two rubber hangers, one here, and it's identical on the passenger side. Now, before we remove those, we need to support our exhaust so it doesn't fall once we take off those hangers. To do that, we're going to take a strap, and we're just going to loop it over this cross member right here. Now we're going to remove those hangers. It helps to spray it with some soapy water. And we're going to use exhaust removal pliers. Now we're ready to bring our hardware into place. Our kit comes with a carriage bolt and block for each of our attachment points. On our passenger side, we have two attachment points. That's going to be this hole here and here. So we need to fish wire our bolts into place. Let's show you how that's done. Now we're going to take the coiled end of our fish wire, we're going to put it through our forwardmost attachment point, and we're going to push it towards the rear, towards our larger hole. We're going to pull out the coiled end. Then we're going to attach our carriage bolt and block, and then we're going to take our block and we're going to push it into the frame first, followed by our bolt. And then we're just going to pull it all the way through our attachment point. Now we're going to use a reverse fish wire technique to get it into our next hole. We're going to attach our coiled end to our bolt and carriage block first, and then we're going to put our bolt into the hole, followed by our block. And then we'll just pull it back down. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is pretty heavy. So now, as we're lining up our hitch, we're going to take our fish wires and we're going to bring them through their corresponding holes in the hitch. So if we hit the bolts back into the frame, we can just pull it right through. With our hitch lined up and in place, we're going to remove our fish wires and install our provided conical tooth washers and nuts on all of our bolts. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now we're going to tighten and torque all our bolts to the manufacturer specification. We're going to be using a 19mm socket, and for our rearward-most bolts, we'll be using a swivel socket. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall our exhaust. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3.5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack or cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.